What did you do? I just cursed you with a sleep spell. So give me my stuff back, and I'll give you the counterspell.
Not happening.
Way.
You'll be asleep for a year.
We need to find a counterspell.
Chuck's book must have taken that page. Miss Silvers!
We have to give Chuck what he wants.
I guess Chuck wins.
Wow, you guys look really tired.
Wide awake beef Wellington.
Well, I'm wide awake. Everyone else? We failed.
You didn't fail, Kelly.
What do you mean?
Awesome.